In soil propagation, all 4 leaves have grown huge and healthy root system, though only 3 have grown new pups. Good thing, not a single leaf dried out. Here in water propagation, 1 new pup sprouted. 2 leaves have grown huge roots, but it is way smaller compared to the roots in soil propagation. The downside, 2 leaves dried out. In air propagation, 3 have grown roots, 1 of them grew short roots. And if you look closer at the roots, more than half of it dried out. Only 2 have grown tiny pups, and 1 leaf dried out. In this experiment, the soil propagation comes in number 1. Because it has grown all 4 leaves without drying it. Next in place is air propagation. Though water propagation came in second in the previous episodes. Only 2 leaves survived now. While air propagation have 3 successful growth. The last is water propagation. Only half of the leaves survived. So guys, water and air propagation based on this experiment will do good for the first 3 weeks, and should be potted by then.